better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light, cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right, completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay in the moments when my good times start to fade. You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile.
Joy, okay na? Joy, this is our surprise actually. I haven't think and write anything, pero somebody had told me ngayon na nagsumali ka with this kind of organization. I'm so glad, but na ano mo, although sometimes pag ginagabi ka talaga is naiinis ako dahil hindi ka nagsasabi kung nasa ka. But actually, it's okay. As long as ang sabi ko lang sa'yo, to sum it up, to shorten it up, talagang I wanted to say, I'm glad and I'm so grateful. Konting proud kasi you haven't reached yet. Pero I know you're gonna go there. You're on the way. At isa lang yung sasabihin ko sa'yo na mahal kita. Although, at this point, you always say you know and you understand everything, but actually you don't. Darating pa yun. Hindi pa lahat. But, sasabihin ko sa'yo, I'm not gonna be in front of you, I'm not gonna be behind you. I'm always gonna be beside you. All the way. Pare-parehas kayo. Hindi ako tumigil at titigil. Although, alam mo na ang situation, somebody has stopped or siguro hindi na dapat pag-usapan. But, yun nga, hindi ako titigil. At hindi rin ako yung somebody gonna be behind. I'm always beside you to make battle. Alam nyo na yan? Yung pagka, alam na, hindi diretso eh. Minsan hindi diretso. Although sinasabi mo, you know, but it's not actually. Marami pa. Kaya, hindi lang kita tatapikin, babato pa. I'm always here. Maasahan mo. And good luck.